2021, we published close to 146,000 books published in English and other Indian regional languages. So Indian publishing is taking care of the publishing in the localized languages. There were close to 8,000 books which were translated from English to other regional languages within India, and close to 800 books which were originally published in India and were translated into many foreign languages ranging from Spanish, German, Italian and Latin American languages. Sir, as I said, you have been the president of the ICCR, and there are close to 38 centers of ICCR in the form of Swami Vivekananda Center, the Nehru Center based in UK and various countries. And ICCR's primary mandate is to encourage the creative industry. When we talk about this creative industry, primary importance is always given to the music, drama, and the other segments of it. Under your leadership, I would humbly request on the behalf of the Federation that book publishing must be included in this as a primary objective for the ICCR. Sir, books contains the power of the soft diplomacy. जैसे हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी कहते हैं, हम उसके बिल्कुल, the industry is well aligned with the government of India initiatives, whether we talk about the Atmanirbhar Bharat, whether we talk about digital India. So publishing industry has been publishing books in the digital format for the last 20-25 years. प्रधानमंत्री जी ने 15 अगस्त को इनोवेशन की बात करी. The entire progress of engine, the engine of progress and innovation lies with the publishing industry. Sir, we as an industry connect the culture locally and globally. So there is a immense importance and contribution of this industry, which may not be in a very tangible form, but the Indian publishing industry is working very hard, striving very hard. And I was looking at the data of the sales figures, sir. 2019 का जो हमारा base था, and I'm happy to report that despite the COVID, we are at a better positioning in the 2022, and we can see a growth of already 7.7% in that. So publishing industry आपके साथ है, और आपने जैसे मेरे को पिछली मुलाकात में कहा था कि प्रणव 2 कदम तुम बढ़ाओ, 4 कदम हम बढ़ाएंगे. सर 2 कदम आप बढ़ाएंगे हमारे साथ. I can give you a promise, publishing industry आपके साथ हमेशा कदम से कदम मिला के चलती रहेगी. Thank you. That assurance I can give you, and on behalf of the Federation of Indian Publishers, once again I thank you. You were here and graced us. Thank you so much, sir.